Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove recommended songs from Spotify playlist. So in order to do that, let's open up the Spotify application and you'll have to be logged into your account. And before I'm going to show you, I must tell you that in order to do this, you'll need to have the premium account on Spotify. If you have the free version, this option will not be available to you. So if you go to your library right here, and you'll have to select the playlist. Right here near this download button, which is this circle with an arrow, if you have the premium account on Spotify, you should be able to find the option which is called Enhanced. So if you turn on that option, you will receive recommendations on your playlist. But if you want to remove recommended song from your playlist, you will just have to hit that Enhanced button and the recommendations will be turned off. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.